Still paying for AI voiceovers, or worse, running out of credits halfway through your script? Let me show you the tools I've found that give you completely free and even unlimited AI voices. No sign up, no credit card, just copy, paste, speak. Hey, welcome back. If you're building faceless content, running an automated YouTube channel, or just need some smooth AI narration without the price tag, this video is going to change your workflow. In a world saturated with subscription models and pay-per-character services, finding a genuinely free and high-quality AI voice generator can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. The promise is always there, but it's usually followed by a credit card form or a severely limited free trial that barely gets you through a single paragraph. This constant search not only wastes your time, but can also put a hard stop on your creative momentum. You finally finish a brilliant script, you're ready to produce, and suddenly you hit a paywall. It's frustrating and it kills productivity. Today I'll walk you through 5 tools, some fully unlimited, others with insanely generous free plans, that give you natural sounding voiceovers in seconds. We're going to bypass the noise and focus on platforms that deliver on the promise of free. I've personally tested each of these, running scripts of varying lengths and complexities to see where they shine and where they fall short. The goal here isn't just to list a few websites, it's to give you a complete toolkit that you can use strategically depending on your specific needs. Whether you require lightning fast generation for a short social media clip or a premium, human-like voice for a long-form documentary. By the end of this video, you'll have a bookmark folder full of powerful resources that will save you money and streamline your content creation process for good. First up is Speechma, and this one's wild. It's 100% free, completely unlimited, and doesn't even ask for your email. This is almost unheard of in the current AI landscape. Most services use a free tier as a hook to get your email for marketing or to upsell you later. Speechma sidesteps all of that. It's built on a philosophy of pure, unadulterated utility. The moment you land on their website, you understand its purpose. There's no fancy landing page, no complex user dashboard, just a clean, simple interface with a text box front and center. Just go to speechma.com, paste your script, pick a voice, and boom, you've got audio. That's it. The process is so frictionless that it almost feels too good to be true. You can copy a 5,000 word article, paste it in, select one of the available voices, and within moments, you have a downloadable MP3 file. There are no character limits that I've been able to find, which makes this an incredible tool for anyone working on longer scripts, like video essays or podcast episodes. You don't have to break your script into tiny, manageable chunks and then stitch them together in post-production, which is a massive time saver. They keep it free by running a few banner ads, totally worth it. This business model is transparent and fair. Instead of charging the user, they leverage the traffic they get to generate revenue through advertising. For the value you're receiving, literally unlimited text-to-voice conversion, having a couple of non-intrusive ads on the page is a tiny price to pay. It's a sustainable model that allows them to keep the service free for everyone. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is its sheer simplicity and speed. It is without a doubt the fastest way to get from text to an audio file. The unlimited nature is its second killer feature. You never have to think about length. The major con, however, is that the voices are on the more basic side. They are clear and very understandable, but they lack the deep emotional range or nuanced inflection of premium paid services. Don't expect a Hollywood level performance. The other downside is the lack of customization. You can't adjust the pitch, speed, or tone of the voice. What you hear is what you get. But for straightforward narration, tutorials, or placeholder audio, Speechma is an unbeatable starting point. Next, this one's for the nerds in the room. Google AI Studio, also called Maker Suite, gives you access to studio-level TTS using Google's own tech. This isn't just another third-party application using a generic API. This is you getting a backstage pass to the core technology that powers some of the most advanced voice systems in the world, including parts of the Google Assistant. It's a platform designed for developers and tinkerers to experiment with Google's latest generative AI models. But with a little guidance, any content creator can harness its power for text-to-speech. You'll need a Google account, but it's totally free, and you can test WaveNet quality voices inside a simple interface. The WaveNet technology is the key here, unlike older, more robotic methods of voice synthesis. WaveNet models generate audio waveform from scratch, one sample at a time. This results in voices that are incredibly realistic, capturing the subtle rhythms, pauses, and inflections of human speech. When you hear a voice generated through this, it sounds less like a computer reading text and more like a person speaking naturally. Accessing this level of quality for free is a game changer. It's a little more technical, but if you're doing bulk voice work or want pro-grade sound, this one's gold. The interface isn't as straightforward as Speechma. You'll see options for different types of AI models, prompts, and parameters that might seem intimidating at first. However, you only need to focus on the text-to-speech generation part of the tool. A little bit of exploration is all it takes to find the right section. Once you're there, you can input your text and experiment with the different voice profiles available. The key advantage is the quality of the output. If your content demands a highly professional and believable narration, for things like corporate videos, audiobooks, or a premium YouTube documentary, the extra 5 minutes it takes to navigate the interface is well worth the effort. The pros are clear. Google AI Studio offers state-of-the-art Google-backed voice tech for free, with clarity and naturalness unmatched in the free category. The con? It's not beginner-friendly. Built for developers, it requires patience to navigate its complex interface, but for those willing, it rivals many paid alternatives. Now, if you're looking for a powerful, free, and totally open source text-to-speech tool, let me introduce you to Dia 1.6b from Nari Labs on Hugging Face, not the online version via Naridia.com. This isn't just another AI voice. Dia is a 1.6 billion parameter model trained specifically to sound human, natural, and expressive. The best part? It's completely free to use. Whether you're working on a YouTube video, a podcast, or some creative narration project, Dia lets you generate high-quality voices directly from text without needing to sign up for a premium tool. It's hosted on Hugging Face, which means developers and creators can even fine-tune it or build on top of it. Now, it might not have a flashy dashboard like commercial tools, but if you're a little tech-savvy or just willing to play around, you've got an incredibly powerful voice generator at your fingertips with no cost and no limits. Now, some honorable mentions with generous free tiers that cover most needs. Minimax.io, mainly a Chinese AI platform, offers thousands of free characters monthly across multiple languages. The site's in Chinese, but browsers like Chrome can translate it easily. It provides unique AI voices not found on Western platforms. The main hurdle is the language barrier, but the quality and free plan make it worthwhile. HuggingFace.co is an AI playground housing dozens of open source text-to-speech models like Bark, XTTS, Celero, and Koki. It's the most powerful and versatile option here, but also the most complex. You access community-hosted demos to generate speech, some better than paid tools. The con is occasional slowdowns or queues during high traffic, but for zero cost, this cutting-edge tech is a steal. How to use these? For faceless YouTube narration, history, finance, true crime, meditations, these tools create endless narration hours free. For TikTok voiceovers, quick tools like Speechma Shine, Google AI Studio suits professional, clear product explainers. Audiobooks or language learning projects benefit from large-scale, high-quality audio generation. Here's a quick workflow. Write your script. ChatGPT helps. Paste into your chosen tool, Speechma for speed, Google AI Studio for quality, export the audio, MP3 or WAV, and import into your video editor, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Pro. Sync visuals and narration, and you're done. Repeat for every video. Bottom line, you don't have to pay for voice credits or settle for robotic AI voices anymore. The AI landscape is advancing fast. What once was corporate only is now free and accessible for creators. These tools empower you to create more, experiment, and grow without monthly fees. All tool links are in the description. Try at least 2 to find your fit. Let me know in the comments which you'll try first. Your feedback helps the community. If this saved you time or money, hit subscribe for weekly AI tools and strategies. I'll also make guides on using these open source AIs. Next video, I'll show you how to go from script to AI voice to fully animated avatar video. No camera needed. See you there.